Hello there. In this video I will show you how to do auto backup of your database in SQL Server Express. SQL Server Express don't have this feature because it's free, I think. You can do a manual backup like this. In the database, right click, tasks, and backup. Let's see, it will let me copy this to go to this directory, and if we say OK, well, we have this backup, but I want to do it automatically. Don't manually. Okay, so I will create a batch file first, new file and text document. I will call it backup.bat. Yes. So I'm going edit the file, and I have here my notes. First, I will copy this. Copy. First, I say echo off to just don't show messages, and clear the console. Nothing special about this. Declare variables. First, I will declare the server name. The server name is this, my friendly name. This is actually an alias I created in another video. Second, the database name, it's allTech here. Oh, sorry, go away. allTech. Crazy stuff here. Let's copy this, and I will try to explain what is this. So I'm declaring the time. I'm saying actually that if, for example, we have 9 to 50 p.m. It will fill this with a 0, something like that. Oops. Second is the date. I go to the global variable date, and I get this substring to get the year, next the month, next the day, and next the time substring from index 0 take 2, the time from the index 3 take two characters. Again, the time from index 6, take 2 characters. Why? Imagine that is 9:09 50 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm saying that from index 0, this index, take 2, and from index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, take 2, and from index 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, take 2 again. Okay, the idea is this. So the file name will be the database name plus underscore plus my date, this date, with the year, month and day, hour, minutes and seconds, plus dot back for backup. Okay, save this. Going get another 2 variables. The backup path is actually this path. I get this path and inserted it here. Don't forget this slash, it's important. And the final destination file is our backup path, this, plus file name, this file name. Okay, next we going to do the actual backup. Copy. So to do the backup, we call the SQL command with the -e and -s options. We say the server name, this server name, my friendly name, with the option -d as master, -q, and in double quotes we write the command backup database name allTech db to disk with the destination file name, this destination file name. Within it, known load, the name, database name, okay, and backup, the option no skip and stats 10 and no format. Okay, so we have here a note. Let me see if it happens now. I will open the command prompt here and let me copy this address, cd, and let's run the backup batch. Okay, it's actually created backup. I had no problem. So the first time I tried to run this, I enter a problem, an error, something like, let me see, something like access is denied or something like that. To solve that problem, I went to the control panel here and went to the systems and security system and advanced system settings. Administrative tools. Sorry for my mistake. I went to the services and I searched for SQL Express, right click and went to the properties. In the tab log on, actually I have this again, but no problem. I had this account checked local service. I don't remember if was this user. I think it was another user, a crazy name, something by default. I just changed to local system account and said apply. It complains and says that I must restart the service, so I say OK and OK, and the next step is restart this, stop and start. After that, you should have no problem running this command from the command prompt. Okay. Well, back on track. I created a backup file, but I also want to zip this file. I downloaded 7-zip this. Sorry, but we have a problem here. Let me clear the command prompt. If I call 7-zip, the command prompt don't recognize this 7z command, so we must add 7-zip to environment variables. Okay, I have the folder here of 7-zip where it is installed. This we must go first to control panel again and system and security. Now we must go to the system, okay, and advanced system settings. Here we go to environment variables here like this, and go to the path here and new. No, to the path here, edit and add. Let me copy the address of this folder and new and paste and say OK, OK and OK, and I can close this again. I close this. If I say 7z, it don't recognize. Why? Because we must restart command prompt. We close this and cmd again and go here, cd. Let's test first. 7z, and now he recognized cd copy k. So we have 7-zip installed, we have 7-zip as recognized as a variable in this environment. So let's add the command to zip the file, zip file. Oops. Zip file. I just called this command 7z with the option A minus t zip. I call destination file. Note that I used double quotes here. Why? Because destination file have these white spaces here, and 7-zip don't like this. So I added double quotes here and double quotes here. So this is the name of the zipped file, and this is the name of the original file. Okay. If I save this and let me close, let me delete this. If I run again, it creates two files. One, the backup file, and the second is the backup file zipped. If I open, there it is. So I want to delete this file, so again I have another command, the last one here. I copy and I close this. So delete unzipped file, I just del, and destination file, just this. I save this, and if I run, clear. If I run this, I think you saw it created two files, and at the end it deleted the last one, the first, the backup, the original file. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. So if we click here, it just do this. Okay, now let's the final step is scheduling this task. We go to the scheduler, task scheduler app, click CRM. We go to the menu, action, and create a basic task. I will give it the name backup database. Next, yes, daily. It will run daily. It's the hour that it will run. Let me say, oops, 9:50. Next, it will start a program. Next, program here in this text box. where it says program and script, we put the path of our backup bat file. So copy the address here /backup.bat. Okay, next. It appears as throat arguments have been included in this program text box. Do you want to run the following program? No. And finish. If where it is. No. I want to find my task. Display all running tasks. No. Where is my task? Here. Backup. I don't know where it is, but it exists. What the hell? Something very strange just happened, I think. Create a basic task, ABC, and next, daily, yes, and okay, next, start the program, pass this, backup, bat, okay, next, no, the name, finish. Okay, this task exists. Okay, ABC, where is ABC? ABC is here. I don't know what happened to the other one. It just disappeared. I don't know why. ABC and my oops. So if I double click to the ABC task, there it is. I don't know why. I was trying to find backup with B in lowercase. I think is I found the problem. The problem was mine. Okay. Well, if everything is okay, I think the task will run. This one will run in a few seconds. I will delete this ABC. Yes. And yes, it runs. Okay. The task run. And we have here a zip. If you want to go to the properties, and if you want to add another trigger, you can go here, new, and schedule every day at 1 51 daily. Okay, okay, and let's see what will happen. I think it will happen somewhere. It's run now. Okay. 9:51:31 seconds. Okay. So now I have auto backup, and every day it will run at 9:51 and 51 minutes and 31 seconds. To do a backup in SQL Server EXPRESS, you must create this batch file where you define variables with the server name, the database name, the time, the date, to format the name of the file, a backup path where you want to put your file, and you compose your destination file. Again, you will run a SQL command with this crazy stuff here. Here you invoke SQL command to backup your database. Don't forget, if you have an error about access is denied, you must go to the control panel like this, system and security, administrative tools, services, SQL Server EXPRESS, right click, properties, and log on, and check this local system account. Say OK, restart the service and close. Again, if you want to zip, you can install 7-zip. You can download 7-zip from this URL. Download, install, and add it as an environment variable. To do that, you go again to the control panel and system and security and system, advanced system settings, and environment variables. You choose path here, system variables path, edit, new, and you will put the folder address here of 7-zip installation. You say OK and OK and OK and close this. After that, you can delete the unzipped file with this command, del destination file. Don't forget in 7-zip to add double quotes like this. Okay. Next, you go to the scheduler, task scheduler like this, and it will open. You go to the action and create a basic task. you give it a name and click next. You say what you want to do, if daily, if weekly, monthly, one time, when the computer starts, when I log on, something like that. Next, you define the options that you want. Next, you choose start a program, and you give here the address of the folder where the bat file exists, like this, /backup.bat. You do next, it will complain, you say no, and you finish this. It will appear here, down here. Don't fall in the same error that I felt later. I was trying to find the backup database task with the B in lowercase. My error, sorry. Double click on the task, it will open the properties. You can go here to the trigger, and if I double click again, you can go here to the trigger and add new triggers. You can edit an existing one, and you can choose another action. You can add another action for this, and this is our another stuff that I don't usually check, but you can see for yourself. Okay, so this is it. I hope my video helped you, and thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.